Welcome to RCM Level 2 Playback. This is example weekly test number 8. This example is in D minor. We have a 4/4 time signature, and this example is 2 measures in length. We have a D minor triad, so go ahead and play that with me. I will play the example 2 times. Remember to tap your foot along with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Did we start on do? Did we end on do? Second time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, ready, go. Go ahead and play that back. For the answer, turn to page 48 of RCM's 4-star sight reading and ear test book. Thank you.